And today we're building a centerpiece for our dining room table. We have chosen our dish, added the floral foam to it that was previously soaked. We've greened up our dish. We've added our carnations, our alstroemeria, our mums, some roses, and I have kind of a hole in the top that I'd like to fill in with. So I've decided that I'm going to add a candle. Because we went a little formal on this centerpiece, we can still add the candle, as we saw earlier, by just pushing the little cup in. And I like to use hot glue to glue my candle in, because we transport a lot of these centerpieces and it's a little more stable if you glue it in. If you're going to be taking it someplace, you'll want to glue the candle in. Otherwise, you could just set the candle in there if it's for your own table. But we also have a few little open spots that I need to add a few more greens to. We'll put the finishing touches on these by adding a few greens here. There's another little spot on the corner, and we'll just poke some greens in there and fill it in so that there aren't any bare spots. Check it over really well, and I think it's complete.